Q136. I'm not sure how well it will come out, so right now it's 50-50. I am right now between Rockville State.
3610 East 2, all clear Rockville, CSX Q locomotive 8070.
So I am between Rockville Station and Thorwood. I put my long wings on because I saw the racing on 2-track for the eastbound. When I did, I'm glad I did. Because he'd already passed different stations, and I would not even make it. So I want to have time to set up correctly. So this is the best I can do. God, come on, focus. So right now, I can see it. I know somebody else gonna say, I'm not gonna argue. Like I said, there's nothing I can do. This is what I can do.
CSX BC dispatcher, Jacksonville Station. 13610 East 2, clear Monster, CSX Q locomotive 8070.
Alright, I think that's it.
CSX BC dispatcher, Station.
Yep, that's it.